Happy Haunted Refrigerator Day. Yeah, I just found this holiday. I didn't know it existed, so I brought in the expert. We got Grace Derocha. She's a registered dietitian. She's a national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, a diabetes educator, and very knowledgeable in this subject because, you know, some scary things you can pull out of your fridge if you're not careful.
Yeah, it's true. So we want to be careful about how we purchase things and when we use them. FIFO, first in, first out. So if there's something that you use often,
Okay.
I feel like yogurt tubes is one in our house.
Okay.
You want to use the ones that you buy for, it's again, common knowledge,
Sure.
but if you don't rotate in your refrigerator accordingly, you might use the new ones and then those old ones are going real gross and weird back there.
Yeah, exactly.
So just being careful about that, first in, first out.
Okay.
You also, we don't want our refrigerator to be haunted.
No, no, you don't. Yeah.
You want to make sure that your refrigerator is at the right temperature,
Okay.
less than 40 degrees.
Okay.
That is a key. At 40 degrees, that 40 to 140 is the danger temperature zone
Okay.
where bacteria can really start to grow.
Okay. All right.
If you are thawing something out of the freezer, like meat, only thaw out what you're going to use.
That's hard.
Yeah, it is hard.
Because you got to portion it out, otherwise you're thawing the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So be careful of that. Then when you're cooking it, know what you should be cooking your different meats to,
Okay.
right? That's really important.
And then you got to have one of these,
Yes.
right?
So you can know it, but if you don't actually test it, you have to make sure to test
Yes.
what that temperature is at.
Yeah, yeah. Because then that becomes more than scary refrigerator. That's like scary trip to the hospital
Yeah.
sometimes, right?
Yeah.
You don't want that.
And I will always tell people, when in doubt, throw something out. If it's been in there for a while and you know you cooked it a couple weeks ago, get rid of it.
Yeah. Like a week, is that too long?
So I usually, it depends what it is.
Okay.
3 days to 7 days.
Okay.
And it's smart to mark. Dry erase markers work really good on some of those containers and will wash right off.
Okay.
So try
Good to
that.
know. Okay. And you've got some helpful tips on how to store things because these are some of the things that go bad quickly in your fridge.
So these are the top 3 things that kind of go
Yeah.
fast.
They don't have a lot of time.
Leafy greens.
Yes.
So when you buy them, like in a container like this that's pre-washed, they're good to go right in there. Sometimes people will say make sure that the air vent is there
Okay.
so it doesn't get liquidy or gross.
Slimy. Yeah. That's scary.
Berries. This is an
Yes.
important one. So strawberries and blackberries, when you get them, any berry, take out the moldy ones because
Yes.
it will infect the rest.
Yeah.
But strawberries and blackberries, you're actually supposed to wash right away in a vinegar solution. Yeah, 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water.
Okay.
Dunk it, let it dry, restore in the fridge.
Okay. In that container, in their containers that they were in.
So it can be in that container.
Okay.
Blueberries are different. They actually have a waxy coating to them, so you can wash them right before you eat them.
Okay.
And you don't have to do the
But
pre-wash.
you just leave them in the container then and let them
Yep, take
be.
out the moldy ones if there is
Yes,
any.
right.
You don't want to infect the bunch.
Yeah, because they do. I
Yeah.
just did this yesterday. I was pulling out all the moldy ones.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we've got herbs.
Yeah, so your leafy herbs, think of them as like flowers.
Okay.
Put them in a vase or mason jar and with water
Okay.
and put it in the fridge. You can cover it kind of with like
Bag.
something, a bag, but let air get in.
Okay.
Ones that are a little bit more rooty,
Yeah.
you can just wrap them in paper towel, put them in the fridge, and then when you're ready to use them, wash them and use.
Do you put them in a bag then too?
Yeah, you could.
Okay. So you can wrap them in paper towel. They can put them in a
Yep.
Ziploc. They don't need to breathe.
Air-
It's
air
okay.
ra- no,
A little
air,
air.
yes.
Okay. Man.
I know.
Any other tips and tricks that we need to know about? You're like, I'm doing everything wrong.
No, this is a good one. Bananas. I know people have heard this.
yeah.
Wrapping the tops in plastic because the gas that it emits will ripen things around it quickly, including the banana itself. So it'll ripen onions, it'll ripen
Some of them come
potatoes,
like
and-
that. I didn't realize
Yes.
that.
And that's why.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So like saran wrap. Okay. Fabulous. Well, Grace, wealth of knowledge.
Yeah.
We do not want any scary refrigerators as we come up on Halloween.
We do not.
All right.
Now's a good time. Get
Yeah.
rid of all the gross stuff.
Get all the moldy things out. And hope you have a very happy Halloween, right? All right. Many thanks to the Mary Freeman YMCA for allowing us to use this fabulous kitchen. We'll see you next time.
Trick or treat.